Ban enforced in Bokajjan on entry of vehicles from Nagaland. Hauraghat Development Block holds meeting in Bangpathar PS area. Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbing Long Live. You're with Julie Baby bringing you the top stories for today. An indefinite economic blockade has been called against Nagaland in demand for arrest of all culprits involved in the recent killings of a truck driver in Dimapur. Following this, entry of all vehicles from Nagaland was banned in Bokajjan. It may be mentioned that a truck driver identified as Jiten Gogoi, driver of truck NL01Q8316, was murdered by unknown armed miscreants at around 2:30 a.m. near IMC Hall, Dimapur. Following this, a press conference was convened on September 25th in demand of immediate arrest of culprits involved in the driver's murder. On getting no result, entry from Nagaland and transportation to Nagaland was completely banned from Tuesday. The indefinite economic blockage was imposed jointly by Dimapur District Truck Owners Association, Dimapur Truck Drivers Welfare Trade Union, Lahorijan and Khatkhati Truckers Welfare Society and Bokajjan Truck Owners Association. And strong organization of Nagaland had also resolved to serve a 10-day ultimatum on the district administration and police to identify and book culprits responsible for the murder. Anantarang's report from Bokajjan for Karbing Long Live. With aim of raising awareness about government schemes and projects, Hauraghat Development Block organized an awareness meeting in Bangpathar polling station area. The meeting by Hauraghat Development Block in villages covered by Mahamaya constituency (VDC) was held to inform the villagers about new schemes including Migrant Labour Special Package, Old Age Pension, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005, among others. The awareness meeting was chaired by Mahamaya VDC Chairman Arson Rongpi and was attended by Cluster Chairman Mongol Singh Phangcho, JE Rajesh Tamang, NRLM staff and members from the villages under the Bangpathar polling station area. Bikram Taran's report from Danarong for Karbing Long Live. For now, let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break.
Humridam ikta. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers akuladalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachiomapik kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapen nanglitum jongsi akuladalong kedam japhan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangsu akuladalong pen ke thon ke banabar sai sitami long ikji Lasi Humridam ikta the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim lake Dipu Ronghelan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adu.
Welcome back to Karbing Long Live. In continuation with the task of providing help to the victims of ongoing flood in West Karbi Anglong, the Dipu Diocese Believers Eastern Church had on Wednesday reached the aggrieved people. Led by Dipu Diocese Believers Eastern Church, Vicar General Dipu District Reverend Father N. Khumba, the flood-affected families of Rupat Hiti were provided more essential commodities. Each family was given 20 kg rice, 1 kg dal, 1 liter cooking oil along with salt, onion and potatoes. After the distribution, Reverend Khumba had also interacted with the local people. He urged the people to stay strong in these tough times and as much as possible to help each other. He asked them to remain strong and support one another.
I am Father N. Khumba, Vicar General of Difu Diocese, Believers Eastern Church. We heard that there is a flood and life have been affected so much here in this Dongkamokam area, and especially in this Rupahidi area. As soon as we heard the news, we just made our proposal and our plan to come and help our people. And when I saw these people, I'm so much touched because life has been so much affected. And so on behalf of our Believers Eastern Church, Karbianglong, we just came to show our love and concern as a member of one family. We just come here to help, and I believe that our little help coming here will be a great help because we are one family.
During the distribution, Reverend Kumba was also accompanied by State Secretary Believers Eastern Church Sadgaon Diocese's Reverend Thangao Limgel and Reverend Swapon Debarman, Aren Cebu Rengma, and others. Wiki-based report from Sadgaon, Karbianglong Live. The ongoing pandemic followed by lockdown and several restrictions has come as a curse for the small businessmen and workers. Due to the government's directives for closure and suspension of several business establishments and festivals, large numbers of persons have become jobless and many are suffering losses in business. The puja idol sculptors and artisans from Bokachon are facing heavy slowdown in their business this puja season. The Durga Puja will begin from 22nd October, but there have been very few orders unlike the past years. In the past, during the Durga Puja seasons, the local sculptors would get orders from several nearby towns including Lahorijan, Bokachon, Jorhat and Golaghat. One sculptor, while talking to Karbianglong Live about their worries as festive approaches, said that this year he has got only 4 orders, due to which he is very worried about how the coming days would hold for him.
আপোনালোকে দুৰ্গা পূজাৰ মূৰ্তি বনোৱা কেনেকা লাগিছে?
এই বছৰটো ভাল লগা নাই। যোৱা বছৰটো আমি 20টা 25টা মূৰ্তি দিছোঁ, এইটো সৰু সৰু 4-5টা অৰ্ডাৰ হৈছে। আৰু মূৰ্তি ৰৈ গৈছে, নাই অৰ্ডাৰ কৰা নাই।
এবাৰ অৰ্ডাৰ নাই।
নাই, বিশ্বকৰ্মা সেনেকুৱা নাই। বিশ্বকৰ্মা গ'ল, বিশ্বকৰ্মাটো 70-80টা মান ৰৈ গৈছে।
আগৰ বছৰ নিচিনা হোৱা নাই এবাৰ।
এই বছৰ আগৰ বছৰ 4 বছৰ একবাৰকে হোৱা নাই।
এতিয়ালৈকে কেইটামান তেনেকা মূৰ্তি অৰ্ডাৰ হৈছে?
4টা মান হৈছে, সৰু সৰু।
4টা মান।
This uncertain situation has made their livelihood very tough. As such, all people in this profession are worried about their survival. Durga Puja is the biggest festival for Bengalis and the Hindus of West Bengal, Assam and Tripura, not less than Festival of Light. But owing to the pandemic and preventive orders, 2020 Durga Puja might be the darkest days for these sculptors and artisans following the dip in orders for idols. Anantaram's report from Bokachon, Karbianglong Live. And that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching Karbianglong Live.